If you haven't watched the written tutorial video, please do so because I don't want to repeat that exact same information. But for video tutorials, it couldn't be simpler. This is, once again, your tryout page. But in order to embed a video, all you do is after you record your video, and you can try this out, like I said, on Screencastify or any platform you want to record a video on, but I want you to upload your video to your YouTube channel. If you are kind of nervous about showing everybody, it doesn't have to be public. What is it down here? Is that where it is? Oh, there it is, visibility. Okay, you can make it unlisted. And this is when I render these things out, when I upload them, you get that choice, private, unlisted, or public. Make it unlisted and nobody's going to find it, and then I can embed it. And the way you embed it, see this link right here? This is the link I want. You copy that link. See, it says copy to clipboard. And then all you do is paste it in here, and it turns into a video. And of course, that's the written tutorial video, but that'll be your video. And here, you can upload video after video. Just please, like I did, go ahead and, hit return, put a couple lines, put your next video in. Got it? And this will be, once again, the way you try out. And we'll get to in the next nest, I'll talk about publishing to a wider audience for consumption by all your peers. So, pretty cool beans, huh?